welcome to the very first official screening of this year's FEC, which is traditionally reserved for our friends from Luxus Produkcija from Krško. With us is also Tom Gumizil, the project leader or producer.
So today we will see a selection of short films that were made 2 weeks ago in Krško during the International Documentary Film Workshop. It's a workshop that this was already 19th edition, so it's quite some time that we do it. It's an international project. This year around 40 participants came from, I don't know, more than 10 countries. Then we a little bit suggest some possible topics, but idea is also that the participants, they choose the topics, they research, do research, they start filming, they edit, and they show it on the one day before the end. Of course, they also have some support by our friends, by some film professionals, so directors, then DOP editors, so maybe I will try not to forget nobody, but with us were Želimir Žilnik, film director, then Marko Cvejić, Boris Petković, Nebojša Sljepčević, Igor Bezinović, Miha Možina, the youngest director. So Miha Možina was the first one who started actually as a participant in our previous workshop in 2007, and this year he was mentor as film professionals. Then we had Jure Černec, DOP, and from Belgrade, Nemanja Babić, Marija Kovačina, and incredible Bob, of course.
And I'm so glad from the result, but really this mentor thing and also to meet people from all around the world was the best, really.
I worked with Pauline as a field assistant. I helped her meeting Jožica. We worked on Draga Jožica. Not meet, but to coordinate with her, because she doesn't speak English. And also I worked with Humad Nisar, my colleague from Germany, and Antea Hodulak, she's also Slovenian. We worked on Send Her Back.